Do you want to grow your comedy skits and become popular? Then watch this video till end. Don't miss a single part, because I'm going to show you step by step 7 perfect tips that you can use in growing your channel. Let's go. Number 1, avoid boring parts in your comedy skit. You should be asking, what is boring part? In a comedy skit, any part that does not involve the audience to speak, like walking, doing something, there's supposed to be music there, especially when the walking or the thing is doing is long, like it will take good amount of time. You are supposed to place the music there, but if there's no music there, your audience can just exist because the video will get boring. And adding music to these parts even make your comedy skits more professional. Now here is a practical example of what I'm talking about.
You keep doing this all the time. Sorry for what? That's what I'm asking. You said it yesterday. Every time, sorry.
But she's just my friend.
Sorry. Oh, you want to hit me? Nasty, hit me. Whether you will not see yourself in jail. Hit me now.
Mr. Nasty Black, did you slap Miss Caroline Igbe?
Yes, Your Honor, I did, but she slaps me first.
Your Honor, that's not true. He pounced on me.
That's enough. I believe you. Yeah. Mr. Nasty Black, you're hereby sentenced to 600 years imprisonment.
Your Honor, let this boy suffer for 600 years. Your Honor, please.
Before we continue, did you notice that after the court scene was over, Nasty Black and the girl did not talk to each other? They did not talk to each other. So they used background music to cover it up to avoid boring parts. You understand? If you can go back to this video and rewatch it to check.
Wetin be this?
This time around was bunch of women. Surrounded in my room. Bunch of women. Surrounded in my...
This recent clip takes us to our next step, which is sound and music matching. Let's take a look at the recent clip again.
Wetin be this?
This time around was bunch of women.
Hope you noticed it.
Bunch of women. Surrounded in my room. Bunch of women. Surrounded in my...
If you watch the recent clip carefully, you will notice that Nasty Black changed himself to a woman. Then the music that was being played was about women, like bunch of women, you understand? So you can also do that for sounds. I'm not saying you must do it, but when you see that it is possible that you have the sounds required at that exact point, then you do it. The third step is using of tag. Using of tag is a very vital way of promoting your content, which is not known by most YouTubers. What types of tags should you use? You should use tags of popular comedians like Nasty Black, Mr. Funny, you know them now, all those popular comedians. And you add the name of your channel as the last tag. And how do you use tag? Open your YouTube studio. Then you click on the video that you want to add tag to. Then you click on edit, that is that pen symbol there. Then you click on this down part that there is tag, category, comments and more. Then you click on add tag. Then you click on add tag. Then your keyboard appears. You now write the name of the person you want to tag, that is the funny comedy, popular comedian you want to tag. You can tag Nasty Black, Mr. Funny, and other popular comedians. Then when you go back, then you click on save. The main purpose of adding those tags is that when people search for the people that you tagged, your comedy skit will also appear, because you know that they used to search for the people like Nasty Black. Now people used to search for him very well. So when you tag Nasty Black, when people search for Nasty Black, they will also see your comedy skit. This takes us to the fourth step, Because when people search and see your comedy skit, what will make them click on it? It is the thumbnail and the title. You will need to create an eye-catching thumbnail that will make people want to click on your video, and also create your videos based on very interesting topics that people will want to click on, like magic this, magic that, since you are new. For example, watch this video.
For what?
What type of plane is this?
Oh, not too much. Exactly. For what? Don't want peace. Is it forever? Hey! Hold on, Jesus. Waiting be this.
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play.
Reset you.
Run.
Bless now, you two kids remain inside though.
Hey!
Me, I don't collect my own.
For what?
You all have had him. He said that he's remaining only 2 gifts inside that place. So the third person should go home and come back early morning tomorrow to collect his own.
What type of plane is this?
Don't want peace. Hey! I want problems.
Hey! What is going on there? See, the magic wall doesn't want fighters. So the both of you should go. You, come. There's someone that they go, man, they go. That's man, they go. Come back tomorrow.
Okay. Reset you.
You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good.
See, young man, please step aside. The magic wall doesn't want you.
Hey!
Each time you say the magic wall don't want me.
Hey! Don't want peace. I want problems always. Reset you.
Run.
Hello, brother. Alpha, that 1.5 million rapper to you play. You don't enter. I will see your tickets in there with you.
Hey! Reset you.
This video got 7 million views in 12 hours. You know why? It is because of the way the thumbnail was being designed. You can see someone will want to know what happened to that floor and what is in that wall that they call the magic wall. You should try adding text to your thumbnail where necessary, but the text should not be more than 20 letters. While designing your thumbnail, don't use YouTube colors as your major color, such as red and white. You understand? Because it will not make your thumbnail stand out among others. I didn't say that you should not create comedy skits based on other stuff, so I did not say that you should create on only magic, but at least try creating maybe try creating some based on magical stuff. The fifth step is that avoid using songs that are copyrighted. This is one of the biggest mistakes that small YouTubers make. One of the aim of YouTubers is to make money, but when you use this song, you will not be able to monetize your video when the time comes. You will regret it. I know. That is why I'm giving you this advice now. Avoid using songs that are being copyrighted. The sixth step is that don't act your comedy as if you are shy. A comedian should not be shy. When it's time for you to act angry, act as if you are really angry. When it's time for you to cry, and you can use water as tears or anything you are using, but do it seriously. When it's time for you to be calm, act seriously, because the vibe alone will make people want to watch the comedy skits. The seventh step is that focus on your niche. Focus on what you are doing. You should not be making comedy skits at the same time posting movies clip, posting music, like posting different. Just for, if you are making comedy, be posting comedy. If you are posting movies, be posting movies. Don't go to other things. If you are doing blogging, be doing blogging. Don't go to other things, so that people can subscribe and know what they are subscribing for. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. You can subscribe to this channel if you need sounds for your comedy skits and other things. Thanks for watching.